Nşaboy. These are all symbols of almonds. Almonds are symbols of fertility, rebirth. And by tradition, such kind of rock was given to a new married couple. Or the girls who were about to get married, they had this little symbol on their skirts. And this rock is 200 years old. You can see that it has some missing parts. We can repair any of these rocks, but we don't do it specially because the history is like that. The value of them is exactly like this. How they were either donated to the museum collection or bought during the auctions. And now, if you remembered when I told you the ages of the rocks, let's see the oldest rock of this collection and you will help me to guess the year.